What's up, YouTube? In this video I'm going to show you how to install a hard drive in your computer. So let's get into it. Alright, so first open up your computer case. It'll more than likely have a latch somewhere on the case. Might be on the side, might be on the top. Mine is on the top. Take off the side panel. Lay the case down. Alright, so now locate where the hard drive goes. Hard drives go right here in this computer. You can tell, one, it has the casing for the hard drive, and two, well, I mean, it just looks like a hard drive fits in there. Alright, so take the casing and get the hard drive in there. You'll see that the hard drive's got little pins, and so does this casing. So line up the pins on the hard drive with the casing. And also, make sure that you don't end up blocking the connector. See? If I were to put it in like this, it would block it. So that must mean that it obviously goes in the other way. And some hard drive coverings, I guess. I don't know exactly what I would call these this blue thing, but a lot of them will actually be a lot more durable and a lot more flexible, and they'll actually have parts so that you can take it apart, fit the hard drive in there, put your screws, line them up, and then you can just close it up and it fits perfectly. This one doesn't though. Alright, so then just slide your hard drive in. And there we go. Make sure you plug it in, power it on, and if you're replacing a hard drive, you'll only need one of these in a desktop. But if you don't, then you see these little cables that are plugged in to the computer. These. Right? Make sure that you plug it into the motherboard. And then from the motherboard, you can plug it into the computer. If you don't plug it into the motherboard, well, you're gonna have a sad day. You'll be wondering why it's not working, and that'll have been the reason. Alright. Thank you for watching. If you learned something, like. If you didn't, dislike. Comment and tell me what I can do better. Thank you.